Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The problem we all face now is that we have mountains of data and we need a way to digest it. Excel is one of the powerful tools to make sense out of large set of data and find out what the data indicates about the situation at hand. Many features are available in Excel for summarizing, grouping, and analyzing. In this series, we are seeing the features one by one. In this video, we are going to see pivot table. Pivot table is a drag and drop analysis tool. You can slice the data until you find an answer to your question. Without the pivot table, you can write multiple formulas to understand the data, but it is a powerful tool, easy to calculate, summarize, and analyze. You can also compare patterns and trends in data. It can also be used for sorting, reorganizing, grouping, counting, total, or average the data. You can easily transform the rows into columns and vice versa, and you can group on any field. Now, using an Excel sheet, we'll see how to create a pivot table and see the features of pivot table. We have taken the sample sales data. Before you create a pivot table, check whether you have any empty rows or an empty column. And the second thing you must see is all the columns must have a unique heading. Only then you can go for a pivot table and create a table on this. How do you create a table with this data? Either you select the whole range or you select any cell in the particular range and then give a format as table. Select any style you require and now it is made as a table. How do you know that it is made as a table? Now if you see the last lower right corner, you see the sizing handle here. That means the whole data is converted into table. Then you can go for insert and then we can insert the pivot table. So here you can see that first thing is selecting a table or a range. Since we have made it as a table and when you click from here, automatically the whole table is considered here. Or you can use an external data source. And you can create the pivot table either in a new worksheet or in the existing worksheet. If you click the existing worksheet, then you have to specify the location. Now we'll just create the pivot table in a new worksheet. Give OK. You can see this pivot table field list pane. Here all the column headings are listed. So these are all the fields we are going to add to the report. And this is the report filter. This filter will filter out the whole pivot table. And what are the fields you want to put it as a column label can be placed here. And the fields you want to put it as a row has to be placed here. And this is the cell value. Between the row and column, what do you want to have? So suppose I just drag the cells and put it in this values. Here you can see that sum of cells is 26,356. And if you take any text and put it here, it will just give you the number of records. So you can verify whether the number of records is correct. Now we'll just drag this color to the row label. You can see that all the colors have come and then I'm putting it the region in the column label. You can see the 4 columns are here listed here. You can just adjust the columns and you can put the sales here. Here you can see that for the particular row and for each region what are the sales amount. So here the sales amount is not formatted. What you can do is you can click here and then you can go for value field settings and then you can give number format, currency, and you can minimize. If you want, you can minimize the decimal places. Give OK. Now you can see that or it is printed as a currency. Suppose I am just dragging this. Here you can see that sum of sales and sum of units. So for each region, both units and sales have displayed. But I don't want the sum of units, I want the count of units. So what I can do is, again, field settings, then here I can just give count. This will give me how many count red units are there, how many blue units are there. So if you want, you can just remove this. So you can go to options. Either you can sort it from least smallest to largest or from largest to smallest. If I click this, so automatically the blue has appeared first. Suppose I make changes in this blue. I just change this to, so I just put 20,000 more. Now we'll see how it gets reflected. So you can just refresh this pivot table. Here you can see that the data what we have changed is reflected here. Generally we should not do this because okay, now we are going to see the next one. We are just putting the date as a row label, or you can just put it in the column also. Here you can see that we have got so many dates, but I can group the dates by year. I can remove this. Here you can see that we are grouping all the data by year. We can also group it by quarters also. So here you can say 2018 4 quarters, 2019 4 quarters. Now we'll see the filtering. Suppose I am just bringing the filter here. Here you can change the colors. I want to see the data only for the red data, red objects. So we'll remove the quarter here. Okay, this is for the red object. I can also change to green. So here you can see that we have got so many benefits in pivot table. First one is simplicity. It is very simple to set up and customize. You no need to learn complicated formulas. And the next key factor is speed. You can create a good looking useful report in minutes. If you don't like the layout, you can quickly rearrange the table to suit your needs. So it is flexibility. And when you make changes to the pivot table data, automatically the data will be updated in the pivot table, provided you make the data as an Excel table. And filtering and sorting on the data is easy. Once you create a pivot table, you can easily create a pivot chart. How do I create a pivot chart? So go to pivot chart. You can select any one of this chart. Let me select this one. Here you can see that whatever the data in the table is displayed as a chart. Suppose I make changes here. So automatically the chart is updated. So in this video we have seen the creation of pivot table and some examples. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and if you like it, you share it with your friend and subscribe. Pressing the bell button will give you notifications for the new videos. Thank you for watching.